Detroit. Please remain seated with your seatbelt still fastened. Captain's going to get us to the gate. When he does, he'll turn that seatbelt sign off. We are on an active taxiway, so again, please remain seated with your seatbelt still fastened. You may use your cellular functions and your electronic devices at this time. Sure, it's been a pleasure flying with you all today. We know you have many choices out there, and again, our apologies about not getting any service out, but again, safety is our #1 priority. Thank you for your understanding. If you're connecting with us on another flight, check those monitors out in the gate area for any updates. If this is your final destination, go out and have safe travels. Bundle up. It looks like it's a little rainy outside. Do us a big favor. Look up above. See what seat you're sitting in. Once you step